All right, launch, launch, launch.
Oh!
Where's it at?
Oh, it's coming down.
Yeah.
No one's ever done this before, as far as I know. Hey guys, it's Brad, Nighthawk Gliders. I'm going to enter combat, but guess what? It's going to be a balsa airplane. So let's see how we do. I'm going to wait until this guy gets out of the way. I want to enter this guy. Should I shoot this guy down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Uh-oh.
Unbalanced. Slow down.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's still flyable though. It's still flyable.
Big battle. Big battle.
Oh no!
Oh, okay.
Fire!
Oh.
That's going to be a long
Where's the, not a small one, not a small one. Keep going out of it, launching.
All right, well, we'll let them deal with that. Big builds are all in the air. All right, in 3, 2, 1, and launch.
A lot of big builds.
Yeah.
Mine's a mini build.
Mini build.
Oh!
a big one.
Yeah. Going and where there's advantage all over. There's a big break with the netball feedback on.
We're gonna do this.
So, if you can see, if you look, MTSU is cooler playing. MTSU cooler coming right down the flight line, right there. These guys are awesome. If you can hit that cooler, you can hit the cooler off that MTSU plane. They spent all night yesterday in the second floor trying to build this plane. You guys are having fun today. Let's go get that cooler. Everybody after the MTSU cooler. Can you find it? Can you do it? Let's go. Get them. Oh!
In front of you.
Oh my goodness. Someone's gonna get it. Oh!
Get it, Ryan, get it.
Oh, he's still up.
He comes closer. I'm going for the cooler. Huh? I'm going for the cooler.
Oh.
It's gonna be epic either way.
No.
Let's see who's gonna make that priority.
All right, launch, launch, launch.
Make sure
Oh!
final thing.
Where's it at?
Oh, it's coming down.
Yeah. It's you.
All right. Launch
Chip
number 2.
something.
That was a bad
You hit
plane
something.
anyway.
There he is.
Oh, so close.
Oh, the heart that got spray. Oh man, Randy.
Oh, man, that's a plane. Oh, it doesn't have any rudder. It's still flying. It's still flying with no rudder. Yeah! Look at
Also, there's
no
a.
rudder.
Oh man.
3D with no rudder.
Mikey, get the cooler. Get the cooler. Oh, I'm telling you, that hawk, that bird, that crow is
Yes, it's in.
Get the glider.
Go.
Oh.
Go.
That's cool. Right in the
Yeah.
crowd. Right in the crowd.
Get somebody.
I know you want a drink out of there.
Get the glider.
There might be something in there, I'm not sure.
It's still flying.
We
gotta get it back.
Nice cold drink in that cooler. Ooh.
There.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Oh.
That was awesome.
Oh my. Oh, the wing spot, the wing. Oh man.
Oh, the cooler's the right spot right there. Man.
We got like 5 or 6 guys swarming this cooler. That's good. That cooler plane's from our good old friends, MTSU, Aerospace University, Middle Tennessee. Go check them out. They obviously
They're all
know what's
chasing.
going on when it comes to aerospace. Flying coolers. In true Flite Fest fashion. Oh my goodness, it's so close. Oh, these guys are going right around it. Oh! All right, bring it down even lower. Bring it down even lower.
Oh, the biplane's going
In
up.
5 seconds, I want everybody to do a loop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Batman Pinata. If you can hit the Batman Pinata, you're going to win a prize. If you can hit the cooler plane. Oh! Go. Oh! There's so much action going on here in combat. All right, the cooler plane is still cooling on. Holy moly.
Still chilling.
Oh, I think the cooler plane's trying to get the Batman, which is going to be...
Yeah!
Oh, it's
That's
so
it.
close.
Come on, Ryan.
Oh, big nutball wants it. Someone's got to get that cooler.
We're trying. Oh!
Oh, look at this. Oh!
Loopy-loopy.
Cooler baby boy down. Oh! Wow.
Yikes.
Where, man? Oh! Oh my God, so much happening right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh! Cooler plane is down. Oh! Come on,
Get the
son.
quadcopter.
You have to take a little bit of hump to hit that
Right there,
thing.
right there, right there.
Oh!
There it goes.
Oh!
Oh!
Awesome.
I don't know if he knows which way's left and right, but oh man. If you can bring down the Kraken, you can bring down the Kraken. Then you can get prize.
Oh!
Batman. You bring down Batman or big old Wingman. You got it. Stretch, I can't believe you're still up there, bro.
Yeah!
Oh!
Oh, yeah, he's still going.
Second time.
Someone's got to get it.
Come on.
Someone's got to get it. Oh, man.
Go one more pass, Ryan.
All right, bring it down low, everybody. Bring it down low. Bring it on down low. 20 feet below. Bring it on down low. Oh! Yes! Yes! Cracking my man. He lined it up and said, oh, that was epic. Come see me and get a prize. All right. That's awesome. Go on wheels.
Well, there we go.
All right.
Combat. Yeah, thank you. You found it. Now we gotta find the other one we launched. It's way out here somewhere. These beans have seen better days.
Yeah.
There's actually trails. Let's see if we can find our stained balsa glider that Bruce made. And it's brown, dark brown, traipsing through the soybeans. Yikes. There's a wheel. Someone lost a wheel. May have not been this combat. Could be a different combat. Okay, yeah. That's a few inches deep. It's in pretty stiff too, huh?
Motor's in there.
Oh,
Oh, I think it's
awesome.
the big guy.
Oh, were you the one that...
Yay!
Yeah. Is that your wing? No. Thank you. That would have been second.
Bruce,
Yes, somebody found it.
nice! Balsa gliders in combat. They survived
Yeah.
to live another combat. Save these guys for next year. Actually,
Right.
especially that guy. That guy is now official combat. I like the darkness because
You can see.
you can see him better.
Yeah. That was cool.
Yes.
This guy goes, I found a little one here.
Awesome.
I was on ahead in that area.
That was awesome. It flew great. It was like it still had a chance to hit somebody.
Yeah, it was staying with the crowd. I thought somebody was gonna run into it.
That was pretty cool. Well, there was another round of combat, this time with what?
Our gliders.
Balsa gliders in RC combat? Who does that? We do.
That's the first time, I think, in the history of the whole world.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, in other worlds too, probably.
And maybe other worlds.
Okay, well, hey, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you again next time.
Bye.